Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make spaghetti latte. Gonna be fresh and good. Come on, let's go start it. Okay, first I got meatball and I got fresh tomato and olive. Anybody make spaghetti, put the olive in there, and I'm gonna do this today. And I got spring onion, garlic. This is loud taste, okay? Spaghetti, I know Italian food, but if I make, gonna be loud taste. That's why I put on all the herb, the fresh herb in here. And here's spaghetti noodle. I love spaghetti, so I'm gonna make my taste. Come on, guys, let's go do it, okay? First, I'm gonna start a boil the noodle first. All right, before you boil spaghetti noodle, I have to put the salt, เกลือด้วยพี่น้องเด้อใส่เกลือเด้อให้มันนัว okay? Alright. Okay, this is spaghetti. I will boil about 20 minutes. ขั้นลาวเป็นข้าวปุ้นนะพี่น้องเนาะคือข้าวปุ้นหั่นล่ะ okay? 20 minutes. I will boil 20 minutes. Okay, spaghetti 20 minutes done. So take it off. Oh yes. Okay, spaghetti done. Now we're gonna make sauce. Okay, when I'm already done, I'm gonna put the oil right here. Olive oil. Don't let them stick together. ใส่น้ำมันบ่ให้มันติดกันเด้อ like that. Okay, now we're gonna come cook. Make the sauce. พากันมาเฮ็ดแจ่ว okay? Gel. Okay, there's garlic, กระเทียมสับ okay? Cook until the golden brown smell good กว่าจนหอม okay? กว่าจนหอมง่ายๆเฮ็ดสปาเกตตี้ very easy to cook spaghetti guys. You can cook fresh fruit, fresh vegetable. You can cook it from the can, don't matter. But I cook, I have to put fresh. Okay, garlic smell good. กระเทียมก็หอมแล้ว อันนี้ก็เป็นเจลซอส This is the spaghetti sauce and tomato sauce อันนี้มักเล่นเด้อนี่แต่มันหักบ่สด โอเคใส่ลงไป Okay, tomato sauce in. Now I'm gonna put meatball. Meatball. ลูกชิ้นนะพี่น้องลูกชิ้นใส่ลงไป Okay. Okay, this is chicken broth powder. ใส่ให้มันแซ่บลงคลุก Okay, everything in, meatball in, tomato going down, fresh tomato มักเล็ดสดเด้อนี่เด้อลงไปเลยนี่คนให้มันทั่วกัน Healthy spaghetti, home cooking. Okay, that will cook down for a minute. Let me taste. Oh, sad. Very good. Good. Little bit sugar. Topping of sugar. Hot tomato. Very sour. บักเล็ดมันสมต้องใส่น้ำตาลหน่อยนึง Okay. Now. Boiling right now, cooking. Very easy to cook spaghetti, guys. So easy, ง่ายๆเริ่มบริยากมันยัง Very easy. Let it cook down for a minute. See, เห็นบ่cook เลยบอกกำลังboiling right now. It's cook right now. Let me boiling for. I will open put olive oil right here, guys. So good. cooked spaghetti with this one before. It's very good. Try it, okay? Okay, time to put olive oil here. Okay, put all of them right there. So good. Try it, guys. Yum. Ready to eat. Spring onion. That's it. All done. Yum. Come on, eat with me. มาเดินมากินน้ำข่อยกระปุ่นอเมริกา spaghetti. Alright, spaghetti done. Now we're gonna go ahead prepare to eat dinner tonight. Come on, come eat with me, guys. Okay. Cook spaghetti, so easy. Like that. Okay, you put spaghetti sauce in here, guys. Look at that. Go to restaurant, they don't even cook food like this. Cook on your own. Cook at home, eat at home. Then put spring onion. Look at the yum, guys. Yummy. Oh, so good. There you have it. Spaghetti. Come on, let's go. Come on, eat with me tonight. Okay. This one. Okay, this is the drink I'm gonna celebrate with my spaghetti tonight, guys. French drink. Berry, right? Berry. Uh-oh. Just open. There you go. Okay, dinner's done, so we're gonna go ahead party. Okay.
Better than restaurant.
Yep, come on, let's drink here. Shot, huh? I mean, that's cheers.
Yes. Yep.
Happy Thursday, guys.
Happy Thursday.
Yep.
Look at this, y'all. This food right here is better than restaurant.